Hey, what's going on, guys? GBL back here, and today I'm here with my friend.
Engmate lockpicking.
Yep, I'm here with my friend, engmate lockpicking, and today I'm going to actually kind of do a rundown of basically how to pick security pins, which is basically single pin picking. So I got here a master lock and my picks. So for it, I'm going to be using this pick right here. And I'm going to be using it just to pick each pin individually until I get a false set, and then I will attempt to open it. Alright, so I'm going to insert the tension wrench like I talked about in my first video. And then I'm going to insert the pick and just kind of go on each pin until I get a false set. Okay, here we go. I got a false set. That's a false set there when it turns just slightly. So it's not all the way open, but it just turns, see, like that. Now it's like that, and then I'm going to pick it again real quick and show you kind of what it would look like compared to that. Boom, there, I got a false set. That's slightly more than before. Now I'm going to just try and find the pin that's giving me trouble here, and that has the most resistance. I'll let off a little tension as I set it. And there's two or three of them in here. And then, once I get some counter rotation there, I can turn it, and bam! I have now successfully opened the lock. So that's basically how you...
I'm going to show you how I do it.
Okay. Engmate, you there?
I picked this lock in one of my other videos. I don't remember if it was, I think it was video 1 or something. So I'm just going to do the same thing as my friend in this video says. Insert the tension wrench. Since it's so easy to set all the normal pins, I just wiggle around in there until I get a full set. Looks like I got one, I think. Did I? No, I didn't. I might have. This lock gives me trouble sometimes. I got a full set and I gotta find that. I don't know if I did. Yeah, I definitely did. Yep. And you can do it and it will open just like that.
That's a key retaining lock. This one also, I think, is a key retaining lock. It might be.
Key retaining is like, let me just get the mic.
Yeah, when you open a key retaining lock, it kind of holds the key in the open position until you lock it, and that turns it back, and then you can take the key out.
Like this. Once it's open, you can't turn it, you can't take it out. Most military locks have it like that.
Yep, so you don't forget to lock it.
Don't forget their locks. And when you lock it, you can turn it back and take it out. Just like that.
Alright, you got anything else?
Oh yeah, I was gonna do how to rock a lock.
Yes, rocking a lock. So I'm gonna use my clear one for this.
Well, you don't have a city rig to do it, so.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I'm just gonna use my clear one, like my friend was in this video. Then I am going to get my city rig. Okay. I'm gonna put this in. Apply light tension. And then just rock it up and down. You don't have to move the thing until you get it open. Just like that. But the problem with practice locks is they're just much easier than normal locks to open.
Yeah, they're very, very simple to open.
I'm going to show you this master lock. It's really, I gotta warn you, it's so tough, you're never ever gonna open it. It's just so tough. Like, stupid pick. Okay, it's open. It's like, it's so secure, nobody could ever break into a master lock.
My grandma thought that it was impossible to break into a deadbolt, and then I picked it in like 3 seconds.
So I'm gonna just go on here in and out on a pulsing action. Just get it. Ow, poke myself. That hurts. Gotta be careful when you're doing this too. Taking a bit longer than usual. Maybe because I'm in front of the camera. This is not going well for me. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this open in front of the camera because every time I'm going in front of a camera, it will never open for me. That applies to mostly all other locks. Let me just try a few more times. Nope, there's no way I'm gonna get that open. That is not good. Yeah.
So,
Problem is, the first pin has such a low cut on the key bitting. You can overset it so easily. So you can't really rake it open that way.
yeah, now here I got my key collection. I'm going to kind of look through and show you some of the more difficult ones that are going to be to open. This one is to my practice lock. The bitting is super, super, super high. See? The bitting is just higher than you'd think. Like on a normal key, this is here's a normal key compared to this key. This
Usually good bitting will be really low cut, I think, and then a high cut, and then a low cut, and then a high cut.
Yep, something like this. Something like this is what he's talking about, where there's like a low cut and then a higher cut. This went to a lock that I broke a pick off in.
It will be a low cut and then a higher cut.
Yep, something like this.
Like max low cut and then like max height high cut. That is how you overset most pins. I've never yet seen a master back kind of bitting.
Yep.
The challenge locks mostly have that.
So, here I have my picks. I'm just going to pick the practice lock one more time. It's pretty simple. You just got to, this time I'm just going to go through every single little aspect of it. So you just got to apply light tension like that. And then manipulate each pin until they're all level. Like that. Then you rotate the cylinder and it turns that inside portion, and then the spring pushes it up. And it's the same thing with a key. So I'll get a key here and kind of show you what happens when you insert a key. This all happens when you insert a key into just any lock. And you turn it and bada bing, bada boom. Like that. But everything happens so fast if you open just a standard lock because you go like this. It's just, you can't even see the pins moving, it's going so fast. Just instantly all level and boom. Now, with these ones, what makes them so much easier, like my friend engmate here was saying, it's so much easier to pick these because the bitting is super high, so there's much more room for a pick. And plus, there's absolutely no security pins, it's just a standard padlock. Plus it's clear, so you can see, like once you insert the key, you can see exactly where all the pins are supposed to be when you pick it and open it, that it makes it so much easier just to memorize, basically.
Another factor, my like how hard it would be to pick it. There's something called the wording on the lock, or like this part. That's like the part of a key, like that's, for example, medical locks or Ruko locks. They mostly have like really nasty wording. It's so you can barely fit a bottom of the keyway tension in there. That's why there is top of the keyway tension. You can put it in the top of the keyway. It works pretty well. Yeah.
So with at my school they actually have a medical lock, and that lock, it's called, the wording is just terrible.
Yeah.
It's,
what do you mean by terrible? Nasty.
yeah.
I tried opening that. Wait, by the way, I got permission from like one of the.
Yes, he got permission. He got permission from one of the people at our school that he could attempt to open that lock, and he could barely even fit a tension wrench.
I got zero feedback from that lock. I could not feel any pins. Maybe it's like a dummy lock or something. I don't know. I couldn't feel anything. No feedback at all.
Yep. So, what it kind of looked like is, I got a notebook here, but I don't have a pencil. I was just gonna draw like a little illustration, but it's like a Z, and then it's like a straight up thing, and it's just terrible. You can't even fit a tension wrench in it to pick it. It's a very, very, very secure lock. You probably won't be able to pick it.
No, you won't be able to break it. It's possible.
Yeah, you probably won't be able to pick it, but it is possible. But it would take a while.
And it will keep a novice picker. It will keep a novice picker out.
Yeah, so it has spool pins and serrated pins. I think it has like 2 serrated pins, and then the rest are spool pins.
I don't know how many the medical lock has. I'm gonna assume there's lots of security pins in it because they can't really take the name of high security locks if there's no security pins.
Yeah.
Plus, they're known for having like security pins and stuff.
Yeah, so medical locks are very difficult.
They're also bump proof, so you can't bump them at all.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty much like impossible to bump a medical lock. And I've actually got, and then this here, another thing that I wanted to go over. This is a wafer lock. It doesn't have pins. It has wafers, which they look like pins, but they're not pins. So I'm going to insert the tension wrench, and then try and pick it, which I have not yet managed to do.
Hey, Green Bay locks.
Yeah?
I'm gonna have to go, so I'm just gonna say, have a nice day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to both of our channels. I'm just gonna leave the call I'm in, and then my friend's gonna continue the rest of the video. So, see ya.
Yep. So see ya, engmate. And I'm actually gonna wrap up the video here because I kind of went over everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I'm gonna say this in every video. Please do not use this knowledge for bad. Please use this knowledge responsibly, because if you get caught breaking the law with this knowledge, they will turn to me or engmate. So please use this knowledge responsibly. Do not pick any locks unless you have permission. And so stay safe, have fun. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I will comment back within the first hour of, or not within the first hour, within like the first half hour of uploading. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all next time. Oh, real quick, comment down below, engmate, if you want to see more like collabs like this, or have engmate be in any of my videos, or do like another call like this. But so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all later. See ya.